What's up, guys? It's Leon from Leon's Money Flow, and today I'll be showing you guys how to open a brokerage account and start buying your first stock or ETF. For today's video, we'll be using Wealthsimple Trade as that's the platform I have most experience with, and it's very beginner friendly. As always, this channel is about me bringing you guys along my journey to financial freedom, and I share what I learned, and hopefully I can inspire some of you guys to start your own journey too. So why Wealthsimple? I chose this platform to start because it's very beginner friendly and easy to use. It's a mobile first application, so I do all my trading on my phone, and it's only in recent years that they came out with the desktop version. They're very great they're probably arguably the best for trading Canadian listed equities, and I personally used them ever since 2020. So why Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a platform that's very beginner friendly, and it's great for trading Canadian listed equities. They're a mobile first application, and only in recent years they came out with the desktop version. So I do all my trading on my phone, and Wealthsimple is great at abstracting away the technical details that most investors don't really need. The basics are clear, but if you want more advanced information, you can always dig in and they'll show you. And I've been personally using them exclusively since 2020. One alternative to Wealthsimple Trade is Questrade, which offers slightly more advanced features but comes at the cost of being less beginner focused. They are better for investors who want to buy and hold both Canadian and US listed equities. Quick disclaimer is that I've actually never used Questrade before, but I am considering it because they do look pretty good, and especially after the updates this year, they look pretty competitive. I will make sure to leave my referral codes down below if you do end up signing for an account on any of the exchanges, Wealthsimple or Questrade, and then we'll both get a bonus of $25 or $50 respectively. Alright, now let's open a new account in Wealthsimple. So let's open it up. This is my account, so I already have some accounts here with some holdings, which I'll go over in a future video. For you guys would need to sign up, and I have a link down below, as I said. So once we have the account, we will click add or move account and select open a new account. We see here there's a bunch of different accounts from checking to credit card and RSP and TFSA. I'll break all these accounts down in my next video. But for now, let's just open a non-registered, or some also known as a cash account. And then over here it says, what do you want to invest in? For us, we'll choose stocks and ETFs. And then who will use this account is just us. And then I'll click open account. And then this should give me a form. This is the client account agreement. You need to confirm this in order to open your account. Even though you're allowed to have multiple accounts, TFSA, RSP, or cash accounts, I don't want to open another cash account at this time, but for you, if you were doing this, you would confirm and follow the necessary steps afterward to open the account. As well, you may be subjected, or you probably will be asked to do a KYC process since this is your first account. And basically, KYC is know your client, and it's just verification of your identity. It's the same process other banks do as well. Yeah, so let's just pretend that it's been a day or two and your account is ready now. So let's move on to buying your first stock. So what you do is you click the search tab here. And remember in my last video, I talked about the S&P 500 ETF, which is VFV. So here it is. It's trading at 158.75 Canadian. But there's also another ETF called QQC, which is the Nasdaq 100 ETF, like as in it tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, which is the top 100 US focused, top 100 US technology focused companies. And so let's just say I want to buy this. So when I click buy, there's, first of all, if you go to this drop down, there's a few types of orders. The only ones you need to pay attention to are market limit and maybe recurring if you want to set a schedule. But basically, market order is the order will be filled the quickest. It'll be as soon as it can be filled, it's filled. And the price that it's filled at is the price that you see on the market at that instant. Limit orders, on the other hand, is where you can set a price. And so, for example, if a stock is 100 and then you set the limit order price at 95, then your order will only be executed if the price goes to 95 or lower. Yeah. And then it looks like right now only market orders support fractional shares. What I mean by that is like you can do stuff like 1.5 here, and I'll give you 1.5 shares. And that's nice if you want to, let's say, buy $100 of stock every week or something. Then you can like get fractions of a share instead of just waiting until you have enough money for a whole share. Another useful thing is like if I go to my account, my FHSA account here, I can just click max and then it calculates how many shares I can buy. Yeah, so that's pretty much for market. Let's execute a limit order. And I'll put the limit price at 38.2. So if it drops down there, I will buy it. Let's say I will buy 5 shares, right? And then I click next. I don't have enough money for 5 shares, so it's gonna ask me to fund the account more afterwards, but let me show you some more details. So basically it says this will expire after Monday, so in 1 day, if you click the drop down, there's an option to make it last up to 90 days. Alright, so let's review this. If we click choose source here, then it will give us option to select from our linked bank accounts or from e-transfers or whatnot. And then you can choose whatever is easier for you. Keep in mind that bank transfers might take a few days, while e-transfer will take up to 30 minutes. But in my case, it's been pretty fast, like a couple minutes. Alright, so let's change this so that we have enough right now. Let's change this to 1. And let's click review. And then here's the details. So it'll say limit buy in this account for this much money on 1 share, and it will trade during market hours on Monday. We can queue the order now, and then that's good. Our limit buy has been sent off. Now we can click done, and we can just wait until Monday and see if it executes. But actually for me, I am not really interested in buying QQC right now, so I am gonna cancel the order. And you can always cancel orders as long as it's not filled yet, so that's a great thing too. So I will cancel the order, but hopefully if you place the order, it executes, and now you have a stock. As always, the hardest part is just starting, and now that you have your first stock, it just gets easier from here. In my next video, I will go over the different account types, whether it be TFSA, RSP, FHSA, or non-registered, and we'll decide which one is better for you. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if this was helpful and you want to follow my journey to financial freedom, and hopefully you can learn some things to start your own too. Make sure to check out the referral links down below to sign up and open your new account, and comment if you do. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.